Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to convert this empty corner into a play area for my toddler. So let's add some sparkle to this corner, and to begin with, here I am going to create a corner tent where he can play with his toys, snuggle, or have a space which he can call his own and can spend some quality time using it. Here I am quickly going to show you how I have made this tent. So I was having this baby gem. Now I am going to use the arch of this gem set. It comes with push lock buckle. So now what I have done, I have removed this hollow part of the buckle from the mat and stitched it with the other end of the arch so that I can lock both the ends of the arch and use it as a ring. Now here I am using this blue curtain and will pass it through the arch. Here I am going to hang it on this small nail. So this is how it looks. Now you can decorate the tent with buntings, tassels, pom-poms, fairy lights. Here I am going to make a string using these stars, bells and balls which I have cut from this Christmas tree I have made earlier, and with the help of fabric glue I am going to stick all of them. So with this, let's see how our tent has turned out. On this wall you see these D.I.Y geometrical shapes and shells. I have already shared its tutorial video on my channel. If you haven't watched it yet, then I will link it down in the description box, and I'm sure you don't want to miss such a great statement wall decor to install in your kids' room. So please go and give it a watch. Now moving forward, what I have done, I have decorated these shapes with some knickknacks, with my kids' toys, small artificial plant, wall plate toys, and hung here his coloring box just to create a visual interest. On the second wall, I have put these hand painted cute baby animals cutouts with the help of double-sided tape. I made them 2 years back. You can also make them. Just Google cute baby animal cartoon images and then sketch them on colorful chart sheets. Paint them with acrylic colors and then paste the animal cutout on cardboard and cut it again. And your cute animal wall decors are ready. Now, play area means a place where you have to have mess, right? So here I have placed this toys storage truck which I have made with waste cardboard boxes. I have already shared its DIY video here. We'll mention its link also in the description box. So if you are also looking for such budget DIY storage solution for hiding all the clutter in your kids' room, then do check it out. Here is the final reveal of the special spot to read, relax, play, create, learn, explore and imagine. Hope you all like the video, find it helpful, and if you try these affordable, easy to make kids room decorating ideas, then do share it with me on Instagram and also do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.